Two independent estimates are to be made on a building damaged by fire. Each estimate is normal with mean 10b and variance b square. Find the probability that the first estimate is at least 20% higher than the second estimate. So let x be the first estimate and y be the second estimate, and we have to find the probability that x is greater than or equal to 1.20 times y. 20% higher means it's 1.2 times that. So this is the same as probability x minus 1.2y is greater than equal to 0, and therefore we set this as a third variable. So let w be equal to x minus 1.2y, and then we have to find probability w greater than equal to 0. So in these problems where you have two normal variables running around, the key is to reduce it to a single normal variable, which is w in our case. So now we know that if x and y are normal, then ax plus by is normal for any real numbers a and b, and therefore w is normal. And the mean of w would be the mean of x minus 1.2 times mean of y. So mean of x minus 1.2 new y. Mean of x is 10b. Mean of y is also 10b. So we substitute these values, and this one, 1.2 times 10 is 12. So 10 minus 12 is negative 2. So mean of w is negative 2b. Variance of w is a square. Variance of x, a in this case is 1. So it's just variance of x plus negative half square variance of y plus 2 times 1 times negative 1.2 times covariance xy. But we are told that the two estimates are independent. Each two independent estimates. So x and y are independent, so their covariance is 0. So this part is gone, and therefore variance of w, variance of x is given to be b squared, variance of y is also b squared, and 1.2 whole square is 1.44. So this simplifies to 2.44 b squared, therefore the standard deviation would be the square root of 2.44 b squared, the square root of 2.44, and then times b. We are to find probability w greater than 0, as we said before. And I mean, here we have greater than equal to 0, doesn't matter. Greater than or greater than equal to is the same thing when you're dealing with continuous. So we need to change this 0 into standard score. So thus z would be 0 minus mean of w divided by standard deviation of w. Mean of w we calculated above to be negative 2b. And standard deviation is square root 2.44 and then b. And the b's cancel out because this one, the top is just 2b. So the b in the top cancels out with the b in the bottom. You just divide 2 by square root of 2.44. That's 1.28. So therefore, probability w greater than 0 is the same as z greater than 1.28. It would be 1 minus probability z less than equal to 1.28. And now from the table, when we look at 1.28, we find 0.8997. So this is 0.1003, and that rounds to choice B.